Another juice from Puffmore? A 50/50 100ml? Yes, please. Blue Razz Lemonade from the Puffmore range. And again, Puffmore have brought out a flavour profile that we see regularly in disposable e-cigarettes, but in a better context. It's a 50/50 100ml. It's lots of juice. It's beautifully packaged. It's a flavour profile that I am a big fan of. But how does it taste? Well, in one of my trusty AIOs, I have it. So let's give it a vape. Oh. Oh. Just give me a second, just give me a second. Oh, that's divine. The blue raspberry is so good. It's sweet, it's satisfying. It does what you expect from a blue raspberry, and it does it very, very well. Then you get this fizzy kick of lemonade. It's perfectly balanced, and just, oh, the flavour goes on for days. I can still taste it on my tongue. Absolutely incredible. I'm a big fan of blue raspberry as a flavour within an e-liquid. I really am. And the lemonade just really, really helps pull out even more fruitiness from that blue raspberry. It's sweet, it's divine, and it's not, again, it's not particularly icy. I got my wish. Puffmore have given me my wish. Yeah, I like these sort of flavours, but why the ice all the time? Only a little bit of a little kick of cool with this. Nothing overpowering. Something that just balances alongside that fruit flavour beautifully. I'm eager to know what more Puffmore are going to bring out, but yeah, Blue Razz Lemonade, Puffmore, 50/50 100ml. Win! And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that. And yeah, if you've watched the Apple Peach video before this one, yeah, the guy behind the camera, the Neolithic Pete, yeah, he stopped filming that, so I couldn't do my little tagline. Didn't you, Pete?
I said sorry.
Yeah, you did. And then you tried to kiss me.